squirrel over there. We're so much more advanced than it.
Actually, you can't compare advancement of a species because advancement makes it seem like that organism is the best in the world, best out of every species available. That's called your fitness, the ability to survive, how well you are fit for your environment. So the squirrel is very fit for his environment. He's small, can climb up trees. Humans could not live that lifestyle. Humans couldn't climb trees as well as squirrels. We couldn't collect nuts as well as they did. We would have a very difficult time living their lifestyle, which means we are not most fit for that environment, meaning humans are not the most fit or most advanced in the entire world, in the entire species of all organisms ever. You can't compare advancement of species. That's like comparing apples to oranges. There is no ranking in the advancement in evolution.
Yeah, but it's real like masculine, you know? I bet you gets all the little squirrel girls.
Actually, the strongest is not always the most fit when it comes down to evolution. For example, the red-collared window bird. It has a massive tail. Great for the ladies, but not so good for himself. He cannot get away from those predators. So what is fitness in evolution? According to different studies, fitness is how well a genotype is at leaving its offspring in the next generation. So being fit doesn't mean being the strongest or the fastest or most athletic. It means it is your ability to survive, finding a mate like this guy, and being able to produce offspring in the next generation.
If we change the environment, the animals will just evolve.
Actually, that's not true. Evolution doesn't have a plan. A fish just doesn't have legs just in case the pond dries up and it has to walk on land. The lungfish was the first fish to exit the water and into the land. However, they had a lung, but that lung had a use in the water. They didn't just grow a lung just in case they needed to breathe air. It had a second purpose. So there are some traits that allow some animals to make a transition if the environment changes. However, evolution doesn't plan for these things. That's not why they occur.
We just happened, right?
Yes, chance is part of evolution, and in that there is no final goal, but there are also some important mechanisms that are non-random. One such mechanism is natural selection, which results in adaptations. Natural selection is non-random and is not progressive. Individuals are naturally selected by statistics, and individuals that are better adapted to their environment have a better chance of leaving offspring. Again, as mentioned, the fitness of the organism. Anytime a change leads to an advantage, that change tends to be incorporated into the population. So evolution is so much more than pure randomness, which is why it has been so effective even to this day.
White and nerdy, think I'm just too white and nerdy. Think I'm just too white and nerdy. Can't you see I'm white and nerdy? Look at me, I'm white and nerdy. I like the